Imagine Earth's oceans over 500 million years ago, a vast alien world teeming with simple organisms, but no complex life as we know it. Then something incredible happened. The first fish appeared, transforming these ancient seas forever. This is the story of how fish conquered the oceans and paved the way for life as we know it. Before fish arrived, the oceans were dominated by small, soft-bodied creatures, like sponges, jellyfish, and early trilobites. These organisms were simple, drifting or crawling along the seafloor. But something big was about to happen. Evolution was ready to take a massive leap forward. The first fish appeared around 530 million years ago during the Cambrian period. They were jawless, armor-plated pioneers, small and eel-like in appearance. One of the earliest examples is Hyquithus, often called the first true fish. These ancient fish had simple cartilage-based skeletons and a streamlined body that made them better swimmers than most other creatures at the time. Hyquithus was small, only a few centimeters long, but it had a key innovation, a rudimentary backbone, making it one of the first vertebrates. This spine gave it stability and flexibility in the water, a critical advantage in the race for survival. One groundbreaking feature of these early fish was their gills. Gills allowed them to extract oxygen directly from the water, giving them the ability to swim farther and explore new environments. This efficient breathing system would become a blueprint for countless species of fish and other aquatic life. As fish evolved, some developed new traits like scales for protection and fins for better movement. These adaptations allowed them to become the first true predators of the ocean. Imagine being a tiny creature in these ancient seas, only to see a sleek, fast-swimming fish with a powerful tail coming toward you. Fish had become the rulers of the ocean food chain. One of the most important evolutionary leaps came later: the development of jaws. Early-jawed fish like Dunkleosteus were armored giants capable of crushing prey with their powerful bites. This innovation opened up a whole new world of food sources, helping fish diversify into countless shapes and sizes. With jaws, fish could become hunters rather than just filter feeders or scavengers. This evolutionary leap set the stage for the diversity of life forms we see in oceans today. Fish didn't just adapt to the oceans, they changed them. By moving nutrients across vast areas, fish helped create thriving ecosystems. Coral reefs, kelp forests, and other underwater habitats began to flourish, thanks in part to the role fish played in the balance of life. Here's the truly amazing part: the evolution of fish didn't just transform the oceans. Over millions of years, some fish adapted to life in shallow waters, developing lungs and stronger fins. These fish became the ancestors of amphibians, reptiles, mammals, and eventually, humans. Without fish, life as we know it, including us, might never have existed. Did you know that some early fish, like Pteraspis, had heavy armor plating but no jaws? Or that fish like coelacanths, once thought extinct, have barely changed in over 400 million years? The history of fish is full of surprises. Fish remain one of the most diverse groups of animals on the planet, with over 30,000 species swimming in our waters today. From the tiny seahorse to the massive whale shark, every fish owes its existence to those first pioneers that conquered the oceans millions of years ago. The story of the first fish is a reminder of how evolution shapes life in incredible ways. From small, jawless swimmers to the masters of the seas, fish have shown us the power of adaptation and innovation. Love exploring Earth's ancient history? Hit that like button, subscribe to BrainSpark, and dive deeper into the amazing story of life on our planet.